Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are cracking the code on one of the most confusing topics for JavaScript beginners. Asynchronous programming. Imagine you go to a coffee shop. In a synchronous world, the barista takes your order, makes your coffee and hands it to you while everyone else waits in line, doing absolutely nothing. That is blocking code. In an asynchronous world, the barista takes your order, gives you a buzzer and starts helping the next person. You only come back when your coffee is ready. That is not blocking code, and that is how modern JavaScript works to keep websites fast. By the end of this video, you will master the 3 ways to handle this JavaScript. Callbacks, promises, async, await. Let's jump into the code. First, let's look at how JavaScript normally runs. This is called synchronous execution. Look at this example. It executes code line by line from top to bottom. But what if step 2 takes 5 seconds because the machine is slow? We don't want to freeze the whole website while waiting. Let's simulate a delay using a built-in asynchronous function called setTimeout. Look at the console output now. It prints step 1, then immediately prints step 3, and only after 5 seconds does step 2 appear. JavaScript did not freeze, it skipped the delay, kept running the rest of the code, and came back to the cuff when it was done. This is asynchronous behavior. The oldest way to handle this coming back later behavior is by using callbacks. A callback is simply a function passed as an argument into another function to be executed after an asynchronous task finishes. Let's simulate fetching user data from a database. Here, fetch user takes 2 seconds. It calls the callback function we provided and passes the user data to it. Callbacks work fine for one simple task, but what if you need to fetch the user, then fetch the order based on the ID, and then fetch the shipping details for that order? You end up nesting callbacks inside callbacks inside callbacks. This creates a messy, unreadable structure known as callback hell. To fix these, JavaScript introduced promises. The following example simulates 3 nested steps using setTimeout. Callbacks hell occurs when you nest multiple asynchronous functions inside each other. The code grows horizontally instead of vertically, forming an unreadable pyramid shape. Here is the same code rewrite using promises. We get the same output in the console. Promises clean up this mess completely. Instead of nesting function inside arguments, we link them vertically using then. This keeps the code float, clean, and easy to scale. If you want a deeper explanation, leave a comment below and I will explain it in more detail in my upcoming videos. While then method work well, async and await with try and catch is much simple, clean alternative that eliminates messy chaining. JavaScript runs asynchronously so it doesn't freeze your web page. Callbacks were the old way but led to callback hell. Promises clean things up with then and catch. Async await is the modern standard, making your async code clean and easy to read. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials, and drop a comment below on what topic you want to see next. See you in the next one. Happy coding!